Hi guys, welcome back. This 2000 Gaming again be another Silver and Blood content. So before we start the video, if you're enjoying the content in this channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel. I'm trying my best to put up all of the contents for you guys, give you information, give my takes on the things that I'm seeing in the gachas that I'm covering. If you are liking the content in this channel, please do consider subscribing. So in this video, it's kind of crazy, man. Like I posted a video telling you guys that there's some nitpicks that I will be looking at because of what's going on with Silver and Blood. Like for example, animations for your $20 skins, which is different. It's not changed. The old animation is the same. Secondly, the characters who are the same name, even though they have different iteration, cannot be put in the same spot, which is like I'm a bit like triggered with regards to that one. No, lo and behold, I think this is like in the big 2025 where every company is very very greedy nowadays. uh I didn't believe Moontoon can be like this generous. This is crazy. If they will be like this, just like Nikkei, this is gonna be crazy. Like they're so OP. I saw some, like I read this one halfway. I got like I was smiling up until to my ear. So like yeah, let's talk about this. This is kind of crazy, guys. So it's officially maintenance notice patch notes on the 23rd. This is gonna be the update for tomorrow. Okay. So update time, like okay, first moon commemoration event day. This is kind of crazy. So this is the second event, right? So can we then conclude that every time we have two banners coming up, we will be having another herald event? Because like this is gonna be the second time. This gives free to plays an option to participate in the second summon. So because like again, if you give 50 summons, you only are needed to summon 10 more pools, 10 more scrolls for you to get to the pity. Either 50-50 or whatnot, as long as you can participate, as long as you had that feeling that you can participate on that event, it's gonna be a win for everybody. Also, the whales will be happy, everybody will be happy. So this is kind of crazy. So can we conclude, if we see this kind of Herald Daily first commemoration event again, the third iteration when they release two banners, we know then certain that they will be always releasing this kind of thing every time we have double banners coming up. It's the same as in Snowbreak, because the problem is they haven't announced that kind of like thing in Snowbreak, that they promised every time you have two banners. Okay, let's just go back here. Every time we have two banners, you will have that other character for free. They haven't said that one yet here. So they could have just say it like every time we have two banners, can we will be giving you this commemorative Daily Herald event, which is kind of cool, hella cool if you are able to like, this is kind of crazy, guys. So there, this one gives us a chance. So during the event period, lords can claim one herald. So that's 10 per summons per day. That's for 5 days. So that's gonna be 50, and it's gonna be coming up on your pity. Okay, this is kind of crazy. 10-day sign in. Patch Blooming Lotus. So, sign in during the event period, claim your generous reward, sign in 10 times to obtain Hades Luxury Couture. So, this is gonna be her costume or new skin, Midnight Lotus. Please note, the event has been extended until August of 21. After the event ends, Hades Luxury Couture Midnight Lotus will become permanently available in the boutique. So, my suggestion, guys, you need to play Silver and Blood now, because like while this costume is free, grab it, okay? So limited event shop Sapphire Isle auction house will be updated after the flash maintenance. Please pay attention. So why are they're calling us lord? So very nice. Because I'm not reading in between the lines. Content optimization. Mausoleum added unique relic synthesis achievement for following vassals. Lorelei, Fleeting, Bella. Okay. Multiple forms of the same vassal. See, this is freaking crazy. I like is multiple forms. This one statement is kinda hella nice. Okay, multiple forms of the same vassal can be placed in the same lineup and engage in battle. Oh my, this is what I'm saying. Okay, this is what I'm saying. I can't really like big 2025 where gachas are very. I know it's a gachas are predatory, but like, can they just be nice enough for the community to support them in a way, to treat the community very nicely so that they will support them whatever. So like again, we need to criticize companies that's doing this. It's a gacha, so to like let them improve upon what they need to like improve upon. This game is hella good, story, voice acting, production, everything is good. same as almost like in Nikkei 1-to-1. But now, this is what I'm saying. You need to remove yourself as a Nikkei counterpart by what? Doing something better. Okay? So, I hope, again, this one, lineup engage in battle. So this is what they need to change, because this is gonna be a problem in the future, and they listen. See, I'm nitpicking, but like I'm not really technically nitpicking, because that's also, I feel like, the same pulse of the community, that why can I put my two Ionas there. So this would be, I hope this is true. If I can read between the lines, multiple forms of the Basel can be placed in the same lineup and engaged. But this one is kind of crazy. So bug fixes, don't really care about the bug fixes. Chapter 16 and 17, we haven't even arrived there. Compensation details, we get 300 moon tier. Eligibility, or lords who registered and create character before the update. Okay. So, but like I was looking at, do we have animations, different animations for ults on your character? So where's that costume? After the event, Hades Midnight Lotus will become permanently available in the boutique limited shop. So, okay. Like I think, even though with regards to the costume being $20, if it's not having like a new ult on the $20, I think they can fix that upon, future patches, because they're gonna be having skins in the couture shop. But this would be groundbreaking, wherein you can use all of the characters. This is what I was like looking for. This is what I was waiting for. Just imagine Bella on Bella, and then you remove your acapella, so that you're supporting Van Helsing together with like Iona. That's gonna be crazy. Or you can remove Iona, you can put in Bella, Bella, what else? Bella acapella, Van Helsing, and then for the like Lorelai and Lamia, like there's lots of things that to put in. This is gonna be crazy. Now the plethora of combinations will be much more wider in a sense. So like, is there any new animations? Is there new animations? Like I thought there's new animations for the new costumes. There's none. So I think, but other than that, I think that's a win. So let's see the comment section down below. So limited pools, another 50 summon. Yeah. Trust PT. Yeah. Stop with this naked cat. Oh my god. I don't care. Like, it is what it is, bro. You're playing a gacha game. What can you ask? See? These devs are freaking insane. Wow, time to drop another 100. See, this is what I'm saying, guys. This is what I'm saying. Treat your players right, and then they will do support you in return. I know that we don't want to support big gacha game companies with the money that they're spending if they're screwing us all over the place. If they are giving us lackluster events or lackluster things that in gacha, so why the hell are we playing? So we're here to have fun, we're here to play, and we're gonna be supporting the game if they are treating your players right. Shoutouts to Black Beacon. They screwed their global players. Now they're screwed. Almost EOS. What's happening? So I played that game. The game has potential, but they treated us like shite. There's no PC client. Lots of shite going on. Tribe 9, very stingy. EOS. So like Snowbreak is killing it because of like second year anniversary. Lots of things happening there. Lots of free stuff. They giving us your selector, weapon selector. That's crazy, man. That's how should it be done. That's how should everything that needs to be done. Treat your players right, and we will treat you right in return. Okay? So what do you think about the patch notes? I think I'm really excited. I'm hyped for this. Shoutouts to the devs. I think I'm not sure. That's not just me talking my ass off with regards to what I think that needs to change. I feel like they should go again, try to change that ult on the $20 skin, $17 skin. Okay, so I think that would really, really cement themselves that they're listening really, really hard. But I think this one giving us until PT Herald pulls together with like the characters that we can use, both characters already, despite they having the same name, it's really, really groundbreaking. So multiple forms of the same Basals line up and engage in battle. People doesn't really look at this, but this is very, very important for me, okay, as a free-to-play, because I don't have a plethora of characters, and I want my characters to have mix and match. So hopefully you guys like this video, like and subscribe. Again, this is 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Devs, listen, okay? Shoutouts. Bye-bye.